So to start with my makeup, I'm going to moisturize my face first. You can use the moisturizer of your choice. Color correct, I'm using this palette by MAC. I'm going to use a shade that is darker than my actual shade. Next, I'm going to set the concealer with some loose powder. You can use any translucent powder. Always shake your foundation bottle before you use it. I'm adding some strobe cream to it for some shine. I'm using a dry non-porous sponge to apply the foundation. Drag the remaining foundation on your neck, on your ears. Next, I'm going to highlight my face with a light concealer. I'm going to take the concealer on my eyelids as well. For blusher, I'm using this cream blush by Inside Cosmetics. So I'm going to take this blusher on my hand first. Don't apply the blusher directly on your face. Applying the blusher this way will give you more control. Don't be scared if it seems like too much blush right now. It fades later on. Next, I'm going to set the makeup with some loose powder. Next, I'm going to contour my face with a powder contour. Don't apply the highlighter all over the bridge of the nose. Apply it here first. And if you want, you can apply it here. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this brow pomade by PSC. For the eye makeup, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using this minimalist palette by Profusion Cosmetics. I'm going to be using this shade. I'm going to use this shade as a transition shade. Once I'm happy with that shade, I'm going to use this shade. I'm using a smaller brush for this. I'm again going in with the previous brush to blend any harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with this shade. I'm packing the color on my inner corner. On the middle part of my eye, I'm going in with this shimmer shade. For my lower lash line, I'm going in with this brown shade. I'm going to keep this shade closer to my lash line. I'm not going all the way into the inner corner. Just stopping halfway. I'm going to apply the glue on lashes and then apply them. Usually I apply the glue on my lash line and then apply the lashes on it. Nete 2 minutes. Salva. Going to put the gel liner right below this lash. I'm going to join the gel liner with the lash line, false lash line. I've created a little wing on this side. Next, I'm going in with this color on my lower lash line. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this shade. So this is the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.